All the wonderful sunshine that's been around recently has got me thinking about how if we are just faithful, life will be good to us. Hi everybody, I'm Michael. Welcome back to the Kataholos YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about how it's been sunny and why that's a good thing and how we can make the most of that moving forward. So I hope where you live you've been having a lot of sunshine recently. We recently have, and it's been fantastic. People been outside, hanging out with families. There's been people having barbecues, all kinds of good stuff. And in England, especially where I live, we don't get that much of that often. And it's got me thinking about how people act differently when the sun's around, how they don't when it's not, and how we can really kind of make the most of that moving forward. So often when it's not sunny and we're not feeling so sunny, we can forget that the sunshine's ever there, but it's always there, and it's only ever a matter of time until it comes out and it's another really sunny day. So really you're always on countdown until another really sunny day. Now you could look at that and say, well, you're always on countdown until the rain too, and that's true. But it just depends on which one you're going to focus on. Are you going to get through the rain and endure it to get to the sun? Or are you going to try and worry about when the sun's here that the rain might come? I know I want to focus on the sun. And also when it's not here, it's really good because it's something to look forward to. I know it sounds silly, but it really is. So I've been thinking about how we can use that moving forward. If we just kind of hang on, we know the sun's coming. And it can be the same with life. You're going through something difficult. If you just hang on and believe that it can end and that the sun is coming, then it will. And then suddenly you'll be sat in the sun and you'll be like, oh, it's okay, what was I so worried about? And actually it only takes one or two times for that to happen to think, hang on, I can use that, I can repeat that. So in your life, whatever you're going through, it might be a difficult time. You're thinking, it's never going to end, the sun's never going to come. But it will. It does every year. Spring, summer comes every single year. It's a process you can rely on. Nothing lasts forever. Things change. So think about that today. If you're enjoying the sun, fantastic. If the sun's not there, it's only a matter of time till it comes again. It's only a matter of time till difficult things end. It's only a matter of time till you're looking back, enjoying it, thinking, wow, what was I so worried about? If you enjoyed that video, please make sure that you like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.